some butter. But first things first, we're gonna need our apron. Perfect. First, we're gonna need sunflower seeds, coconut sugar, and salt. With the help of an adult, preheat the oven to 350. Pour your raw sunflower seeds into a pan. I use reusable silicone mats because they're better for the environment. Evenly. And when the oven's preheated, pop it in the oven. With adult supervision, of course. Now let them cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. While you're waiting, you can go outside and enjoy the nice weather. When you're done, transfer your roasted seeds to the food processor. Secure the lid on and start processing. Scrape on the sides as needed. It will start out grinding into a fine dust. Let's be patient. It takes about 5 to so minutes. Start to form a big ball. Once the sunbutter starts looking smooth, you can add in the coconut sugar and the salt. 1/4 cup of coconut sugar and 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of salt. And blend it all up. When it's all done, transfer it to an airtight container. And that's how you make sunbutter. It stores in the fridge for up to a month, if you can make it that long. Happy Earth Week. That's delicious. That's delicious.